So here we go. I want to be back on blue. G of x divided by f of x, which equals the square root of 4 minus x squared divided by the square root of x. Okay, now we would have to determine the domain, we would have to go through exactly what we did in the last slide. Almost exactly, right? Now, we need this 4 minus x squared to be greater than or equal to 0. Because it's in the numerator, we can let that equal 0. Which means, what's going to be our solution set for that one? Negative 2 to 2, including the negative 2 and the 2. Because it's okay to plug in the 2's, because it's in the numerator. But now, how does the denominator change? What would I say is the domain of the square root of x when it's actually in the denominator? It has to be greater than 0. It cannot be equal to 0. Right? So when I put these together on a number line, right, the negative 2 to 2 is here. That's closed circle on negative 2, closed circle on positive 2, shaded in the middle. But then I have to take into account that, which means here's the 0. And it needs to be open circle because it does not include the 0. So it's shaded in between. So if I put that all together as a domain, now it's 0 to 2, but we've switched now, the square bracket is on the 2 and not the 0. This means it does not, it's like open circle, that means closed circle.